like a family meeting.
Yeah, it is a little bit.
I'm already recording.
Oh, no.
Hello, guys. So these are known faces, although Chris, you are with a new company now, right?
I am, Murfitt Industries, as you know.
Yes. But I do remember you some years ago, you were the name of the game of rCB testing and benchmarking.
Yeah.
And the one thing, I'm still sad that the Sustainable Materials Group doesn't exist anymore, because when you look at the UK industry, many connections were forged in that group.
Yeah, we had some good meetings. I mean, that's up to these guys. They need to pick up the baton and reinvent it.
Sorry, hi, Richard Moon, Avon Protection. Nathan Sarah, Avon Protection also.
Excellent to have you at rCB. How do you like the conference so far?
It's fantastic. Met some very interesting people, seen some interesting talks already. Very proud to have some Avon data presented as well. So
they all need you.
We like to think so, but
thank you. Have a good conference.